After the deadly stampede at Chinnaswamy Stadium during the Royal Challenger Bengaluru's IPL celebration, which killed 11 people, the Karnataka government has proposed the Karnataka Crowd Control Bill 2025 to improve safety at large public gatherings like political rallies, sports events, and conferences. The bill requires organizers to get police permission for events with large crowds and gives authorities the power to approve, delay, shift, or cancel events for safety reasons. Proposes strict penalties up to 3 years in jail or 5,000 rupees for general violations and up to 5 lakh rupees or the same jail term for commercial event organizers. Organizers will be held responsible for injuries or deaths and must pay compensation, or the government can recover it by auctioning their property. Courts can consider victim impact statements when sentencing, and anyone helping to break the law, knowingly or not, may also face punishment. Officials can stop gatherings likely to disturb peace, and the government will also run awareness and training programs on crowd safety. Religious events like Jatras and Rathsavas are excluded. The bill will work alongside existing national laws, and officers acting in good faith will be protected. The bill is expected to be discussed in the next cabinet meeting.